Marge Weir, and I'm the inventor of PrepNServe, which is a food storage system that makes it easier to make and take food, prep food ahead, and store multiple items all in one container under one lid. So the beauty of it is this lid is a grid pattern. This would be a cutting board surface, or could be, and the grid is an inner overmold or a soft inner gasket that seals all these containers separately. No matter which size container, as long as it fits the grid pattern, it'll stay sealed under one lid. These also have inner lids. If you wanted to use these out of the fridge on their own, or you had something inside that's like onions that smell, or something like olives that has liquid in it, you can have an inner lid and it still fits under that. But you shouldn't need lids. These can be used on their own outside, and they stack in the fridge. And then when you're not using them, the other part of this is that everything nests, and it'll store in a small space and take up a lot less room in your cupboard. You can have multiple containers and use up less space. I hope that helps. Thanks.